Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I like sauces, especially the 5 French mother sauces. One of them is Espagnole, and its secondary sauce is demi-glace. From this one, there's another amazing sauce called Marchand de Vin. This classic red wine reduction is perfect for steaks, prime rib, roast beef, as well as beef Wellington. So let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, we'll add dry red wine, some finely chopped shallots, whole peppercorns. The majority of my recipes I use mixed peppercorns. It adds more flavor. Then 2 sprigs of thyme and a small crushed clove of garlic. We'll stir and bring the mixture to a boil. We'll reduce the heat to medium and simmer until the liquid has reduced considerably and we're left with barely anything, about 1½ tablespoons. Something similar to this. Next, we'll pour in warm demi-glace. I'm not showing you how to make it because I already did. And to see the recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. Of course, we'll stir well until the ingredients are nicely blended and we'll continue cooking for 5 minutes. Now, there's an ingredient that is not traditional that I like to add, and it's balsamic vinegar. I find it gives more personality to the sauce. When the mixture comes back to a simmer, we'll cook for 15 minutes, giving the sauce time to thicken a little more. A few minutes later, the mixture has reduced and got slightly thicker. So, we'll remove from the heat and pour the sauce through a sieve placed over a bowl or a large measuring cup. We'll press down on the ingredients to extract more liquid and then discard the solids. We'll return the sauce back to the saucepan, turn the heat on medium, and working in batches, we'll add small pieces of butter, whisking until almost melted before adding more. What this does, it gives a beautiful shine to the sauce. I normally use 2 tablespoons of it. I find it's plenty. To know if the sauce is done, it should coat the back of a spoon, just like this. And my friends, this is our Marchand de Vin. This classic French sauce is a great addition to your folder. It's a flavorful way to accentuate many beef recipes. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!